Well, folks, kind of looks like we've got the place to ourselves. I am signed up, there is no wind, and there's nobody here, which is probably a good thing, because, well, if it goes well, nobody's going to see it. If it doesn't go particularly well, nobody's going to see it. Yes. There is no wind. Everything seems good. Well, it was probably the worst takeoff in history, but my goodness, is she up there. Bring her down a bit. Get her to drop that nose just a little. Well. Once up, once down. My goodness. Well, I think we're going to go and set the rates. I'm going to put a little dual rate, and we're going to put a little expo, and then we'll try it again.